loop. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I do not know how to get this damn lift kit out. I have taken all the bolts out, even the ones that are up here on the damn, you know, the thing up here. I just got those bolts out right there. So I don't know. I got this bolt out right here at the bottom. I just moved this shock back and hammered it out. The only thing I can really think of is maybe it could be the sway bar that's holding it up. Maybe. So I guess I could try to get that out. But I don't know, dude. Damn. You know, I really want this. Really want that lift kit. But I don't even know how much they're going to charge for the brakes. I try to call them on my way here and ask, so that way I can either focus on getting the lift kit or the conversion kit. And I think at this point, I think I should just go ahead and put the brakes all together how they're supposed to be. That way they don't try to overcharge me if they think that it's more than one part or something, I don't know. And then just head on back home, clean these parts up, and get my truck running, figure out how to do all this in one day. Shouldn't be too hard. Just pop off the, I don't know if I had to remove the differential cover and pull out the seed channels and pull the rear end out. Not the rear end, but the axles. I don't know if I have to pull the axles out or not. I know if I do that on this truck, then I would be able to get that bracket. But I'd have to drain the freaking differential. It would go all over the ground. I'd have to pull out the C-clips, which I have a magnet, and I got tiny tools to take bolts out if I need to, if they're tiny. And then just pull the one freaking axle out, and then I would be able to use the breaker bar on that plate. So I don't know. It seems like too much damn work. It's hot as hell right now. I'm sweating, trying to cool off a little bit. I wore all black for some reason, and it's like 80 degrees, 70, 80 degrees, something like that. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pack all my tools up, get those brakes and rotors all put together how they're supposed to be, and then go and pay for them. Hopefully they don't charge me more than $100. So hopefully they're less than 50. Shit, hopefully they're like $12 a piece. That'd be awesome. That'd be really awesome. But yeah, dude, if these were drilled and slotted rotors, I'd think about getting them, but they're not. And they look so tiny. I don't know why. They just look really tiny. Tiny Tim. I don't know, guys. I tried. Oh, but yeah, I'm just gonna sit right here and get these things all put together how they're supposed to be, and go and get on up out of here. It's 1:44 in the afternoon now, so I got here at like what, 12 something, and damn, it didn't even take me that long. Only thing I had to do was get that bracket off. That was it, and cut the lines for the calipers, pick everything up. But I'll see you guys in a second.